Hello everybody, I'm in northern Colorado, just north of the Red Feather Lakes area. I'm going to take off on my bicycle down a jeep road and hopefully find a bunch of geocaches, including a chance at a first to find. There's a geocache up this way. I'm going to check it out. I also consider this sign here, it says illegal trail. Foot travel welcome. So no motorized vehicles. Well, how about a bicycle? Not too much of a walk. I compromised and brought my bicycle, but I actually walked it, so I count myself as foot traffic. I think a bicycle would be just fine though. I did walk my bike up here. This is the first stop of a multi-cache, and it's right over here. Not too hard to spot. Illegal trail, the sign said back there, yet a pickup truck just drove by. I guess he missed the sign. The second stage of this multi-cache is about 1/10 of a mile, a little bit farther up the trail. The first stage, the last person who looked for it failed to find it, although it was sitting there right out in the open. The next stage hasn't been found since 2017. It appears to be 180 feet up this hill here. Let's go check it out. There's a bit of a trail. Maybe it goes to the cache. It doesn't seem to be going to the cache, so let's head up this way. I looked all over the place here. There's a fallen log over there. I looked all under that. I figured that might be where it was, but I didn't see it. And that might have come down sometime since 2017 when this was last found. It says it was an easy find on the past logs, but no joy for me.
A few moments later.
I decided to circle this big boulder one more time. And what do you know? I spotted the cache. It's sitting right out in the open. No wonder I didn't find it. I was looking at better concealed spots. Always nice to find an ammo can in the woods. Plenty of swag in this geocache, in this nice ammo can. I have stamped the log. I'll put it back where it was, and we'll move on. Back to the trail. Hope my bike is still there. Nice to find a cache that's so lonely that it hadn't been found since December of 2017. And now it's September of 2025. I just came up this hill, a little bit too steep for me to ride, so I pushed the bike most of the way. Parked it here, and I'll be going up this way in a little while, but there's a geocache right here that hasn't been found in almost exactly 1 year. Let's see if we can find it. This log looks promising. Oh, I see it over there. Looks like another one of our favorite types of containers. Metal ammo can. How about that? Let's see what we have inside. The human brain. Pickup truck. Too big for my model train layout. Not sure what these guys are, but they look happy. And a bunch of other things. Let's get this logbook signed, and then we'll be on our way. The first signature in that logbook was from 2007, and there haven't been all that many. Just takes some effort to get here, but not a hard find at all. Let's keep going. There's more to find over this way. That gate was back there. There's another geocache that is some 300 feet off the road here, up in this direction. Let's go find it. Looks like there's some more rocks to look in. Cache page says it's on another ammo can. Still 70 feet up there. I don't know if I took the easiest route to get to this cache. Actually looking almost straight down here. You can just make out the road back there through the trees. And my bicycle's somewhere down there. And if I turn around the other way, right in here, there's another nice ammo can. So the cache was way up there. Glad I got it and down, up and down safely. I found another gate. This is the third one of these gates. I don't know how many more there are, but it's perfectly fine to open them, go through, close them, and keep going. A minor obstacle. Not too hard to get past without getting my feet wet. Bike tires got wet though. The road splits in two here. One of them goes over here and up that hill over there, and that's where this next cache is. After that, I'm not sure if I keep going that way or if I will head down this road over here. Let's go find this nearby cache first, and then we'll figure it out. After climbing the little hill, I discovered that there's a nice clearing up here. I hear some cattle off in the distance somewhere. Oh, I just spotted them. They're over here quite a ways. They were making quite a noise a minute ago. But anyway, it's time to find the geocache, which is somewhere, maybe by these rocks, or by those rocks, or that big log over there. Let's go see if we can spot it. My GPS says 20 feet, so maybe by the log. It's down here. Oh, there it is. It's another fabulous ammo can. Now this geocache is in great shape, and it was last found just this past July. You can see my stamp there for today, September of 25, and it's been here about a year. It says September 2nd, 24, and today is September 2nd of 25. And the road keeps going, but there's a geocache here, and it's 150 feet up there. And I see a nice pile of rocks, and I bet it's right there. Let's go see. Not by this pile of rocks, but there's more over here. Let's take a look. I see a pile of logs. It's a great day for ammo cans, it seems. Another great find. There's my stamp. Last found prior to me in July, and before that in September of last year, and it was first to find in September of 24, 1 year ago, just like the previous one. I always enjoy finding ammo cans. hidden in the rocks, or in this case some large sticks or small logs. There's one more cache to find, and I hope to be first to find on that one. These ammo cans are part of a series, and hopefully the last one is also an ammo can like these. Here's the road that I'm traveling on, and it's 380 feet over here and up the hill. Oh look, a pile of rocks. There's a nice ammo can in there. Good size one too. Nice, new, clean ammo can with a nice, clean, and new notebook to put my first to find stamp in it. There we go. It's almost exactly 2 months since this cache was put out here. So it's about time somebody found it, don't you think? Well, it turned out to be me, first to find. It's always nice to get first to find on a geocache. And this one, 2 months old already. I can see why though, it's quite a ways out and it takes a bit of effort to get here. Thanks for checking out this episode of Caching with Cazuman. If you wouldn't mind, you could hit that subscribe button down below and the like button. Either one would be great. I would appreciate it very much. Take a look for some caches out in the mountains sometime, such as the ones out here by Red Feather Lakes. Take care everyone, so long, and see you down the trail.